Okay, refer to the previous two questions. Which conclusion about point M is valid? Because A and B are collinear and the slopes of each segment are equal, point M is between A and B. Because point M is between point A and point B, then segment AM does not equal the distance of segment MB. That was false because in question 1, we found that segment A to M was equal to the square root of 10 and that the segment of B to M was the square root of 10. So that one's not true. 2, because point A and point B are not collinear. Well, let's look at the picture. A and B lie on this same line, so that means that they are collinear, so that one is not true. Because A and B are collinear and the slopes of segment AM and the slopes of segment MB are equal, point M is between A and B, point B, because M is between point A and point B, and the distance of AM is equal to the distance of MB. Point M must be the midpoint of segment AB. Well, since we eliminated the first two, this one has to be true. And so in my notes, this is what I would write in if I didn't know. This midpoint must create same slopes of each segment, and the distances must be the same for each segment. So that's what I would type in for my notes for midpoint. Another thing that I could use is the key terms, and you could click midpoint right here, a point that divides a segment into congruent segments. That doesn't really give you a whole lot based off of what they were asking us. So since we eliminated the first two options, I would write what I gathered from this statement down in my notes.